FalconEye EagleEye 2nd Gen Triple Cam 2K Dashcam. Game over for fake claims. Ever feel like driving today is less about freedom and more about paranoia? One reckless driver cuts you off, one shady passenger makes a false claim, one he said, she said, moment, and suddenly your day, wallet, and sanity spiral. Unreliable tools waste time, footage disappears, and you're left defenseless. Frustrated? Overwhelmed? You're not the only one tired of blind spots. Now picture the nightmare. Insurance deadlines, police reports, mounting stress. Burnout creeps in as you juggle fake claims, missed evidence, and unmanageable pressure. A late-night rideshare gone wrong, a fender-bender with no proof, a teen driver you can't monitor, opportunities for truth slip away. The clock ticks, costs pile up, and your peace of mind vanishes. Without proof, you're powerless. Enter the FalconEye EagleEye 2nd Gen Triple Cam 2K Dashcam, your all-seeing co-pilot. Imagine crystal clear 2K front camera footage capturing license plates in daylight, infrared night vision inside the cabin watching every rideshare moment, and rear coverage proving fault in a hit and run. It's 3 cameras working together for unbeatable context. Wi-Fi integration means you instantly pull clips to your phone, no messy card readers, no wasted time. The 256 GB card included stores hours of looped footage so you're never scrambling. Hardwire it, and suddenly your parked car gains parking mode superpowers, motion and G-sensor triggers that wake up your dashcam when vandals or careless drivers strike. Mini story? A rideshare driver shared how the IR interior cam saved his business when a passenger claimed harassment. He showed the police the footage on the spot and walked away cleared. With FalconEye, panic turns into proof. Why are experts, influencers, and everyday drivers raving? Because the EagleEye 2nd Gen isn't just another dashcam, it's a triple-channel fortress on wheels. Analysts call it a standout bundle that delivers ROI for fleets and individuals alike. Tech reviewers gush, out of the box, it felt complete, storage, hardwire, mounts, done. Rideshare influencers love the instant Wi-Fi sharing, pulled a clip mid-shift and sent it straight to insurance, lifesaver. Real customers back it up, had a hit and run, rear cam caught the plate, cops had proof within minutes. Parents say, finally, a way to monitor my teens driving with full context, not guesswork. The 2K front clarity, 1080p rear and interior views, infrared LEDs, parking mode, GPS logging, G-sensor locks, and Wi-Fi app create a system that feels like it reads your mind. Smooth installation, wide-angle coverage, and endless storage eliminate excuses. Who doesn't want the power to shut down lies with receipts? Whether you're a driver, parent, or fleet manager, EagleEye builds trust where doubt usually wins. Limited stock. Thousands of drivers already trust FalconEye EagleEye 2nd Gen Triple Cam 2K Dashcam to protect their rides, reputations, and wallets. Don't wait until the next incident leaves you speechless and defenseless. Secure yours today, triple the coverage, triple the protection, zero excuses. Every second you delay is another chance for chaos to win. Act now, lock in your peace of mind, and join the movement saying, I don't drive blind anymore.